Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Gemini app on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular app store on your phone. Now from over here, go to search bar and type in Gemini right over here and search it up. Now as soon as you do that, you're going to find the second option, Gemini by Bitcoin. Tap on it, tap on this option of get, and simply double click for it to start being installed in your phone. Wait for a while till you get this blue circle completed. As soon as the circle is completed, you will find this option of open, and you will find your app listed in the home section as well. And once this open, you can tap on this open to open up your app, and you can sign in or get started. And that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.